ladies and gentlemen, this is Michelle again for another vlog. Hi guys! First of all, the content of this video is requested by my boyfriend, Char. I'm gonna teach you on how to set up a mechanical keyboard and mouse on mobile. So, this is for mobile gaming guys, of course. First of all, introduce muna natin yung gamit. Things nang kailangan mo para mag-set up ng keyboard and mouse. First, kailangan mo ng keyboard, and then mouse, and then converter, guys. On my side, itong keyboard na nabili ko, this is Bluetooth keyboard na. And then, may converter na siya. So, keyboard at the same time is converter na siya for mobile. And then, mouse ko. Okay, yo guys, so let's start. The first thing you need to do, you need to download an app that is instructed in your converter or keyboard. So for me, I'm using a FlyDigi brand, and it instructed me to download FlyDigi Game Center. So you can download those apps through App Store for iOS and Play Store for Android phones. FlyDigi Game Center. So this is the app that I'm using. So I already have the app. Press open. So this is my app, guys. And then we need to connect the converter and or keyboard to the phone via Bluetooth or cord, whichever you have. Actually, my keyboard is already connected to my Bluetooth, so if I turn it on, it will connect automatically, like that, the Fancy D1-1. So that is for my keyboard. Now let's go back to the app. Here, it's connected now. So guys, there's one thing here. If you need to check some keys in your keyboard, if it's really functioning, in my app, there's a test. Okay guys, so these are my registered game. Actually, I'm only using Rules of Survival and Call of Duty for this. First things first, how to add games. There's add games plus sign button down here. Then you just need to, and then you're just going to search what type of game you want. So for example, search, then it appears. I already added it. For iOS guys, this product is not suggesting to download the latest update of iOS, which is iOS 13.5. So this product is only good for iOS 13.4 and below. Okay? But for Android users, there is no issues for this product. Okay, let's use Rules of Survival as an example. So press start. So this is what it shows. So this is my guide. I already have mine. Let's go to my configuration. Let's press adjust. So this is what I have here. I will explain to you each of my function keys. So first function here is tab. Tab function, that's for the map. WASD function for my character to move forward, backward, and sideways. Mouse right click for the scopes. Caps lock for my bag. R function for healing. T function for bombs. So G function, this one is for riding the vehicle, and this one is for getting off the vehicle. Mouse for control viewing. Shift function. Alt function for pickups. Z function. Left click mouse function for firing and attack. Q function for lean left, E function for lean right. Mouse scroll up for my first equipment, mouse scroll down for my second equipment, 3 function, 4 function, F for bike, space for jump, C for squat, B function to change angle. Let's press one function here twice. So you can see click normal. So all of my functions are on click normal. That means basically all of those functions are for clicking only. But there are some other functions here you can try. So guys, before putting some functions on your screen, you need to have a photo of your game screen. Like for example, this one, what we have is a game control screen for Rules of Survival. So how to get this? Press settings, scroll down to custom, press custom, then here. So all you just need to do is to screenshot. Then let's go back to the app. To upload a photo, guys, all you need to do is press the plus sign, press picture, add picture, then you select the photo you like, and then there it is. So how to add a key function? As you can see, there are some circles here with functions. Mostly are for mouse and some for the keyboard. So all you need to do is to drag those circles to where you want. Like for example, this one, the left click. You can put it here. So if you press that on your mouse, it will attack or shoot. How to add a key function in your keyboard? Drag this blank circle, then press any key on keyboard or mouse. For example, let's press G. Then there it is, G. So right now we have 3 G's on the screen. So you can use maximum of 3 key functions at the same time. Then you can put it anywhere you want. So there is no specific way of putting functions, guys. It's up to you. So it depends if which way you prefer, that you're comfortable with. How to delete a function? All you need to do is to drag a key function and then point it to the delete button, like that. Also guys, as I am, you may also need to add more than one pictures. Like for example, if you're in front of a vehicle, like for this, there are some buttons that will appear, like drive button or ride button. So you need to screenshot and upload this picture too, so you can put a function to that. For picking up things, guys, I put my settings into auto pickup on because it's easier for me. One more thing, guys, during the game, when you put your phone into landscape, make sure that the upper side of your phone is on your left hand side and the bottom part of your phone is on your right hand side, because that is like the standard position of the phone. Otherwise, the keyboard will not function well. If you are done setting up your screen, then we will save this by pressing plus sign, then save as. You can change the name, save and apply. That's it, guys. Before starting the game, press apply and then you're good to go. By the way, guys, this is my set for Call of Duty. Right click for the attack, WASD function to move forward, backward, and sideways, function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4, function 5. Mouse for control view, F function to ride, R function to recharge, C function to squat, space function to jump, right function for scope, and G function. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I hope that my content helped you. And please click like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Also put comments if you have any suggestions. Share if you want. Thank you.